So everybody starting out in the business want to know, how much should I charge for tile cleaning? I'll tell you how much I charge. What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. Van out back, we're doing some tile cleaning. And, easy clean, relatively. Well kept place. But let's check it out. Nice open area, which is very nice. We're just doing one bathroom right now. We're getting through there. I'm talking a lot because there's some background stuff in the background. I don't want to get any kind of, strikes for that. I have to mute it out. I might do it anyway. I don't know, but yeah. So we're just gonna use, my go-to pre-spray, and definitely doing all our scrubbing with that thing. And this is Brenda. She's the dynamic scrubber. So we hit everywhere with this thing, and I've had this for about a month and a half probably, and used it numerous of times. As far as agitating your tile and grout with that poly brush, it works amazing. It works amazing. I like it better than the CRBs even. It doesn't make as much of a mess either. Does it make as much as a mess as the other power flashes? So yeah, so it does have a squeegee and all that. We don't use it. We just use it for scrubbing when we're doing tile and grout. But I am curious on how well this will just do as a standalone. So we might just do an area right in here and compare it and see what it looks like. I don't know. We'll see. So we already agitated in here and did some detail work. They had a recent plumbing problem, so we're staying away from there. So I did some hand detailing around there. I don't want to get the silicone wet because it's not fully dry yet. But and we do got some grout in here that is kind of breaking away in here. So I'm gonna keep the PSI low in this room. I don't see any more areas where that's a concern. Otherwise, it's easy. We're gonna come back and do some hardwood floor cleaning, screen recoat, and yeah, stay tuned. So everybody starting out in the business want to know, how much should I charge for tile cleaning? I'll tell you how much I charge. I charge $1 a square foot to clean. I charge another 50 cents to seal. Because of the way I seal, it's very easy, so I don't have to too much overcharging. Now that's just a standard clean and seal. There's different situations to where you may have to remove wax, maybe some grout repair. There's different situations you run into that would cost more. So keep that in mind. And let's see, hooking up my hoses. Yeah, time to fire it up. So, because those grout lines were so damaged, I have the PSI down to 600. With that little hand tool, that little spinner, you can actually clean with that hand tool or that PSI down to 600, because it's such a small tool, it doesn't take that much pressure to spin those. All right, so that's what I did, just to be careful. So it's really good to evaluate the situation and adjust as needed. Now as we get out here, I'm gonna bring that PSI back up to probably about, probably around 1,000, 1,100 PSI, maybe higher. We'll see how it cleans. All right, we're sectioning it out. We'll go ahead and pre-spray this area, these detailed areas, and we'll go ahead and hit the whole room with pre-spray, agitate. this side of the house is all finished up. We're just gonna do the kitchen now, work our way out, and then we're gonna seal everything. All right, so we're gonna dry it up just a little bit more and then go ahead and seal it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. If you like this one, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe. So I got a lot more of this, where this came from. All right, see you in the next one.